So in this video, we are required to simplify this algebraic expression. Of course, to simplify this, we have to open the brackets, right? So we can distribute this term. I'm talking about the content of this term to this. How do we do that? We can say 3n into bracket 2n square minus n plus 5, then minus 2. We use this also to open it, 2n square minus n plus what? 5. So 3n times 2n squared. 3 times 2, that is 6. This is n raised to power 1 basically. So n raised to power 1 times n raised to power 2, that will give us n raised to power 3. Then 3n times minus n, that will give us what? Minus 3 what? N squared. Basically, this is n raised to power 1. This is another n raised to power 1. Then 3n times 5. That's 3 times 5. That is 15. That would be what? Plus 15 what? N. Then here, minus 2 times 2n squared. That will give us minus 4n squared. Minus 2 times minus n. Minus times minus. That is plus 2 times n. That is what? 2n. Then minus 2 times 5. That give us what? Minus what? 10. Okay. So the next thing is to collect like terms. We don't have anything raised to power 3 again apart from this. So we have what? 6n raised to power 3. Then this 3n squared, this 4n squared. So minus 3n squared. This has been captured. Then minus 4n squared. Then plus 15n plus 2n. Plus 15n plus 2n minus what? 10. So 6n cubed, right? Minus 3n squared minus 4n squared, that will give us minus 7n squared, plus 15n plus 2n, that is plus what? 17n minus 10. All right, so basically this is the simplified form of this algebraic expression. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll be looking forward to receiving your comment as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.